Hurricane Preparedness for Young Adults, Coastal or Hurricane-Prone Region. Here's a guide to help you get ready. 1. Create a disaster plan. Emergency contacts. Make a list of emergency contacts, including family, friends, and neighbors. Evacuation routes. Identify escape routes and know where to go in case of an evacuation order. Meeting place. Determine a designated meeting place for your family in case you're separated. 2. Assemble a disaster supply kit. Essential items include food, water, first aid supplies, a flashlight, a battery-powered radio, and a manual can opener. Personal items. Pack important documents like passports, birth certificates, and insurance policies. Medications. Ensure you have a supply of any necessary medications. Secure your home exterior. Bring in or secure outdoor objects that could become projectiles. Windows. Protect windows with storm shutters or plywood. Roof. Check your roof for any damage and make necessary repairs. 4. Stay informed. Local news. Monitor local news outlets for updates and warnings. Emergency alerts. Sign up for emergency alerts from your local government. Social media. Follow official government and emergency management agencies on social media. 5. Be ready to evacuate. Follow instructions. If an evacuation order is issued, follow the instructions from local authorities. Have a plan. Know where you'll go and how you'll get there. Pack essentials. Take your disaster supply kit with you. Remember, being prepared can make a big difference in your safety during a hurricane. By following these steps, you can help protect yourself and your loved ones. For more tips and lessons like this, visit learnmoreuniversity.com for education after the bell rings.